Alright, so this is United Flight 1, just landed here from San Francisco, here at Changi International Airport in Singapore. This is Boeing 787 DreamLiner. So this plane will become United 2, going back to San Francisco from Singapore. So I will be flying on this plane here, Boeing 787 DreamLiner, to San Francisco. We'll be departing in less than 2 hours. So this can be my first time flying an American airline back to the States from Asia. Alright, so this will be a direct flight from Singapore to San Francisco, United 2. Flight number is number 2. So United 1 is from San Francisco to Singapore, and United 2 is from Singapore to San Francisco. Alright, everybody. Hope you all have a good day now. So once again, this is United Boeing 787 DreamLiner, United Airline. Alright, take care now.